What's going on, y'all? Today we are back with another shoe cleaning video. In this video we have this pair of Thunder, or the Red Thunder Jordan 4. This guy right here, beautiful shoe. I love this, the black on the red, super classic. You know, that Jordan colorway, the black, red, the white, classic. This shoe does need some love today. We're gonna give it some love, we can give it some care, give it some attention, you know what I'm saying? Because these puppies need them. So let me just give you all a little preview of the shoe here, what we got going on. So as you can see, that front toe box there is looking nice and dirty. Midsoles nice and dirty all around. Wow. Same thing with this other one, but again, we'll do one for comparison. We'll keep it clean, we'll keep a dirty one. So start off with this guy right here. We'll put our dirty shoe to the side over here, and I'm just gonna go over the materials real quick. So on this shoe, this Jordan 4 Red Thunder, we got nubuck all the way around on the shoe here. Now nubuck is a very sensitive material, super sensitive material, so we are only going to be using a soft bristle brush for this guy here on the top at least. Now of course you can get, you can hit the other parts of the shoe with, the medium bristle, but this nubuck right here, you really just want to be nice and gentle with it. Let the brush, let the soap do the work, and should turn out good. Let's see what else we got going on with this guy. Yeah, just simple, straightforward cleaning. Just gonna get them back to being nice, nice black, buttery nubuck. So then we'll get the midsoles nice and clean again. But yeah, man. So we'll get started with this video. First things first, we'll get our laces removed here. I got my shoe tree already inside the shoe there. So let me get these laces removed here. Okay, so with our laces removed here, we're going to start by just giving it a nice little dry brush with our soft bristle brush here. So I'm just going to get around it, get this little lint off of it, get any little dust, dirt off the nubuck there, because you don't want to rub the dirt into the nubuck or anything for that matter. So we're going to try and get it as clean as we can with this first brush, and then we'll go from there. So, stay with me, stay tuned, and let's go. Alright, y'all, so with our light brushing done, we're gonna get into using our solution. So we'll get our Shoevinator solution here. You guys know it. It's my preferred method, or my preferred solution to use. This is a brand new one, I bet. Alright, so we got the little thing off there, and we put some into our water mix here. So we will get started with our soft bristle brush. Get that soap nice and ready to go. Get that off of there. Alright, man, and let's begin. Alright, y'all, and we're done. So let me just give you a refresher of how we were looking before. So again, this is our before shoe. You see that nubuck is very stained, very dirty. Midsoles as well, dirty. Back this side here for you. Let's see, bottoms. These are bottoms. And here is our final product. So here is on that. Our final product here. You see that nubuck is looking way better, looking a lot more nice, firm, flat black. You got our back over here, looking real nice. And our midsoles. Midsoles nice and bright once again. This other side. Nice and bright once again. Looking real good. Oh, the bottom's done on these guys. Looking real nice, man. I love the way these turned out. Now, once they finish drying, we'll see how this new buck is. If it's a little hard, a little crunchy, I will hit it with my suede kit to just bring the new buck back to being soft. It's soft right now, so hopefully, well, when it's done completely drying, it stays nice and soft, and I don't have to come in and re-nap it, is what it's called, when you either fix suede or you fix new buck. But anyways, well, let me just give you two comparisons. There we go. Let's see, let's get the insoles in there. I mean the midsoles in there for you. Back side here. That side there. And our bottoms. Backs. Yeah, man, turned out really good, turned out really nice. Super simple clean, super easy clean. Came out looking really good, man. So that right there has been our video. Appreciate you guys for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. My name is Lorenzo. Peace out.